Hi Aquarius, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe, and you're enjoying the meals and following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, so this is the timeless reading for the month of April, May, and June. This is a monthly overview. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, you can help me with the donations. The donation link is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one reading with me, I'll be grateful to you. The details of booking is also given in the description box below. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, let's check it out. What's coming for you guys in the month of April, May, and June. Okay, the monthly overview. Queen of Swords, Four of Wands, Two of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Justice, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Swords, and Three of Wands. Okay, in the month of April, you are thinking about, you are thinking about making a decision if it's related to your marriage. Okay, Aquarius. 1111, that is an angel number. If it's about relationship, you're thinking about making a decision of related to marriage. Some sort of communication will be taking place. Okay, but if it's about career, that means you are thinking to make a decision about your career life, about your job opportunities, like what you want to proceed further, if you want to proceed further or not. Okay, so 1111 is a very an angelic number, so you can just google it out. In the month of May, I think this is reading of career. Okay, mostly, so take it however it resonates with you. Okay, also one more thing, there's Nine of Pentacles. That means you are moving forward with an offer, but that offer is coming towards you in a very slow pace, or else, yeah, an offer is coming towards you which is very slow. Okay, but you are thinking to build up something, like you are thinking to build something for you guys with the help of Eight of Pentacles. That means you are doing a lot of hard work to reach to that offer. Okay, there's a Justice card. Whatever is going on, or whatever was going on into your past, now a justice will be served to you. If it's career, there will be legal documents, legal papers which you are supposed to sign. If it's a relationship, and some you feel that justice didn't took place in the past, then justice will be taking place in the month of May. Okay, in the month of June, a Wheel of Fortune, Page of Swords, and Three of Wands. That means someone, something, somebody is trying to think about his own career, about himself or herself, thinking about giving priorities to oneself. Okay, thinking of moving forward towards a new beginning, towards a new beginning, towards a new opportunity, towards a new life. Okay, and this offer is giving you an opportunity in the month of May. I think an offer will be coming towards you, and in the month of June, you are thinking and deciding to move forward with that offer in related to your career life, I guess. You're releasing all those marriage things from your life, or if you were stuck up with something, of your past, you are releasing all those things in the month of April, and now you are moving forward and thinking towards making your own decisions, and thinking about moving forward, and standing strong when it comes to financial matters. Okay, taking your own actions, thinking about your own actions, thinking about yourself. Okay, self love, self satisfaction when it comes to your career life. Okay, taking actions for your career, for building yourself up. Okay, Wheel of Fortune, that means that a lot of yeah, change is coming into your place. Okay, into your life, lot of abundance is coming on in the month of June, guys, for you guys. Okay, so yeah, and this offer will only help you to reach to that abundance level. Okay, so try to work hard for that offer which I told you, which is coming in the month of May, and that offer will lead you to the abundance level, to the wheel of fortune. Okay, so what are your common universal message, guys? Let's check it out. Universal message. Okay, the overall message is that yeah, you're trying to balance your materialistic world a lot. You will be balancing your materialistic world, and you are releasing all those pain, emotional drama, emotional stupidity, and emotional, if you are conflicted in your head and trapped about something in your head, you are trying to release all these things with all this reading. Okay, so the common message is you are moving away from all these conflicts, and thinking to balance your own life, when it comes to materialistic world. Okay, so you are getting a new direction when it comes to that. Okay, Aquarius, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, guys. Um, you can book one-on-one reading with me, and you can help me with the donation. The details of the donation and booking links are also given in the description box below. So thank you so much, Aquarius. I hope you like this reading. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys.